Hi, this is me now. Thank you for the good people adopt me. From the street. Now I feel so loved and comfortable in this family. Before they found me, I feel so lonely in the street.
Hi, how are you, me? How are you? Are you okay here, huh? Kawawa television. Masugod pa siya sa puwet. Ito bundok pala. Hi. Hi. Kawawa naman ang tinapon siya. Sino kaya nagtapon sa'yo?